Impressed with the packaging, convenient individual doses. Very good product. The first time I consumed this product, of which I knew nothing at all, after researching its benefits and trying it for a month, I feel much better about some symptoms of discomfort and some digestive disorders. I wake up with more energy and feel that my concentration improves in a certain way. It is recommended to keep 20 seconds in the mouth before swallowing it for better absorption. Quality product that really works. I definitely recommend it. I purchased this for my reason of hoping to improve whitening skin. Which it didn't says in the label. Will the product and packaging comes good? I would say. I will come back later if has any improvements. This product is amazing. First I was quite skeptical, but I must admit that I do feel different. You must try it yourself. You won't be disappointed. It is miraculous and would recommend for anyone prone to catch colds or are constantly affected by the flu. This works as a shield, guys, especially during these horrible days of pandemic. I do plan to keep taking it as I feel really good, so I'll stock up on these and get some for my family as well. Quick update. This product is amazing. Speaking from the perspective of someone prone to catching colds and get knocked down by the common flu, and this has helped tremendously so far. I don't want to jinx it, but it has to be the GlutaDose. It is the only thing I've taken this year that is different from all the things I've tried over the years. Hands down, you're now a cult favorite of mine. I'm eager to try their other products. Perfection in a vial. Love this. It's given me more energy, more all-round wellness, and it's given me a better looking skin. This is an easy way to take vitamin C, glutathione, and it is an antioxidant, and a detoxifier. It also has liquid zinc, and helps me to keep a healthier immune system. It also supports a healthy cell function in my body, and gives me good energy. It tastes like orange flavor. But I haven't been sick since taking it, but I've been more health conscious because of the pandemic. The taste is very medicine-like, but I'm giving it 5 stars because whether it's because of this product or not, I haven't been sick, and it could very well have something to do with the daily GlutaDose. I highly recommend this product. Glutathione is simply amazing, and this has to be the most professional and easy way to take it. The list of benefits is too long, but for me personally it helps most with my psoriasis, reduces all my symptoms. I stopped taking it on a short weekend trip, which was dumb because it's so easy to take along for the trip, and my symptoms became worse immediately. Click link in description for more reviews. Check our recommendations.